Alright, so we are currently exiting the NCB Towers and entering the Kensington Crescent. So that's where we are today. So welcome back to the channel, guys. You know, it's Rush the Discovery Boss. What I realized, I didn't show you guys an final update look on the Kensington Gate apartment complex. So that's what I want to do today. So they have put in the gate, the perimeter fence. I know probably some tenants have gone in already, but I haven't shown you guys that final look. So I'm going to show you guys a glimpse of that today, because we're passing the complex. I know I usually show a construction throughout the life of the construction while it's being erected, and I try to go to the open house to show the inside, and then when it's complete I try to show it as well. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna give you a quick look of the Kensington Gate. Over to the right is the NCB Towers. That's where I'm coming from. And if you're new to the channel, as always, remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. Remember to like, comment, and share as well. So let's take a look at the Kensington Gate apartment complex, and then we go back on our drive. Alright, guys, so today's video was sponsored by Kris and Charles Investment Company Limited. So whatever your loan needs are, definitely check Kris and Charles. So we are standing in front of their main branch right here on Eureka Crescent in Crossroad, Kingston. This is their main branch. They also have a location in every single parish, so definitely give them a check. They have all type of loans. They have personal loans, auto loan, EduPath loan, micro business loan, funeral expense loan, credit card refinancing, debt consolidation. So whatever your needs are, definitely give Kris and Charles a link. And you may not need a loan, but you may know a friend or family that's interested in a loan. Definitely give them a buzz, and just remember to like their pages and follow them, especially that they're partnering with Raymore Reviews. All right. Alright, guys, so Kensington Gate apartment complex. I also have a video which is a full review of the apartments inside, so you guys can check that out as well. I'll put the link in the description. I like the colors, and their perimeter fencing is up now. What do you guys think? Let me know your comments. And again, I'll put the link for the complete property tour I did just past Tiffany Manor. So on this road, Kensington Crescent, it's mainly, well, it's only apartment complexes on both sides. So some older types, some not so old, and then we have the Kensington Gate, which would be one of the newest one on the block. So it's Kensington Crescent in New Kingston, Jamaica. So just showed you the Kensington Gate apartment complex, and we're just doing a little drive around the area. We know something will be constructed here shortly. This boarded up section on the right. It was a older type house that was on it, a big lot, but an older type home. So I'm sure they're gonna convert it to probably an apartment complex. Past Kensington Cove on the right, Kensington Manor on the left, the Kensingtons on the right, Kensington Manor again. So only apartment complexes on this street. Then we have Kensington Palms. And then it will lead back out to Old Hope Road. Then the final one here on the right is Kensington Place. And then we have a few commercial property towards the end of the road. Alright guys, so again, leave your comments. Let me know what you think about that finished look on the Kensington Gate apartment complex. Let me know what you think. Just a little correction, we actually drop out on Lady Monsgrave Road, not Old Hope Road. So this is Lady Monsgrave. We have Worthington Terrace on the left, and then we're moving on to Trafalgar Road. Alright, so we have the AC Marriott Hotel on the right. We also have ATL Automotive Dealership, home to Mini Cooper and BMW. That's on the right. We continue straight up. So we come to another intersection, which is Seaview Avenue to the right. Then this road leads back out to Hope Road. So to the left is Upper Monsgrave Avenue. And right now we're still on Lady Monsgrave Road. You know, a few large empty lots still on this road, so I know it's some opportunity for development. A few apartments and commercial entities are on this road, so it's a mixture of both. You have some gated communities as well, Monsgrave Mews, which is a large mixture of townhouses. And again guys, leave your comments, let me know what you think. You know, share your thoughts. Comment. On the right we have Lady Monsgrave Abbey, an apartment complex. To the right is a commercial property. And to the left is another commercial property. And then we have TGI Fridays, TGIF. Was very popular when they just opened, not so very popular right now. But TGIF right on the left. Then we have this intersection with Hope Road, East King's House Road. I'll take the left to go back in off a tree. Alright guys, so comment. Let me know your thoughts. Those yellow trees that are blossoming. It was in the right of the screen. I wonder how many persons know their name. So they're in blossom season right now. They're all over the place. Very bright yellow blossoms. They look so pretty. If you know the names, let me know in the comments. We pass it on the right just like a few seconds ago, about 30 seconds ago. Just pass it on the left again. So if you know the name, let me know. We see another one over here. See if I can zoom up a little bit. It's not yet in full bloom. Alright, so this one is a distant away, so it's not so clear. Alright guys, so thanks for watching, thanks for clicking on the video, thanks for liking, subscribing, commenting. Thanks for your support. Really appreciate it. Alright guys, and see you on another video.